Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by turning on the built-in visuals so you can see what your champion can hit. Go to Settings, Gameplay, and enable Show Attack Range and Ability Tooltips. This gives immediate numerical ranges and a circle for auto attacks. Once done, enter the practice tool so you can experiment safely. Stand near a target dummy and note the circle and tooltip values. These two things together tell you how far you can auto-attack and how far each spell reaches. Now you measure. Spawn a target dummy and move until your auto-attack no longer hits, then step forward just until it connects. That gap is your attack range. Use Attack Move Click to test reliably. For spells, hover the ability to read its numerical range, aim until the indicator shows valid targeting, and watch the casting preview. Make small adjustments while toggling minion and champion sizes to see how collision or hitbox affects range. This process trains your feel and gives exact numbers to trust. Finish by drilling these distances in short routines. Practice 5 to 10 minutes per champion. Dash, kite, and step back until the ranges become muscle memory. If the range circle disappears, reset your HUD or toggle the Show Attack Range setting off and on. Relaunch Practice Tool if needed. Make sure ability tooltips are enabled. Once comfortable, use a replay to confirm your spacing in real games and adjust for latency by adding a...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.